Hello everyone, my name is Putu Pratama and my last student number is 023. So this is the article review that is going to be discussed. The title is Innate Immune Response to Bacteria that Causes Pneumonia. So let's get started. So these are the topics that we're going to discuss. This first one is introduction. The second one is bacterial recognition. The third one is lung defense mechanism. The fourth is inflammatory response, and the last one is conclusion. So what is immune system? So immune system is a complex system that works to protect the body from the pathogen or the strains that enter the body that is really harmful for the body system. So there are two types of immune system. It includes the innate immune system and specific immune system. We're going to discuss the innate immune system, innate immune response. So it is the non-specific defense mechanism that come into play immediately or within hours of an antigen's appearance in the body. So this is that we're going to focus is pneumonia or bacterial pneumonia. So these are the bacteria that causes pneumonia: Streptococcus pneumonia, Klebsiella pneumonia, etc. So the bacterial recognition of the inflammatory response includes the bacterial recognition receptors that consist of two. The first one is TLRs or toll-like receptors. The second one is NLRs or nucleotide binding agglomeration domain-like receptors. And molecular patterns. It consists of PAMPS and DAMPS. The PAMPS is pathogen-associated molecular patterns, and DAMPS is danger-associated molecular patterns. PAMPS is exogenous molecules that is produced by pathogens, and then the DMPS is endogenous molecules that is produced by the damaged tissue. So these are the receptors that contribute to inflammation. If the molecular pattern attached to the receptors, it will cause the inflammation cascade. So the receptors that is contributing for the inflammation in the bacterial pneumonia is TLR 1 until 6 and TLR 9. So lung has three defense mechanisms. It includes the physical mechanical. It consists of lung anatomy. The lung anatomy is a complex physical shape that will cause a turbulent airflow, and it will cause infections, limitation, and deposition of pathogens. It will be removed by the sneezing, coughing, and swallowing. Second one is fluid secretion. It includes the secretion of lactoferrin, lysozyme, defensimes, complement, catalysidins, and galactins by the airway structural cells or by recruited neutrophils and macrophages. And the last one is cellular. The cellular defense mechanism, it includes the alveolar, macrophages, and neutrophil. So these cells will phagocytose the bacteria. So how pneumonia progresses? Pneumonia progresses when the bacteria have overcome the primary host defense, and it will cause adhere to the respiratory epithelium, and this will cause the increased accumulation of phagocytic cells in the infection area, and this will phagocytose bacteria and express mediator like enzymes, chemokines, and cytokines to increase the inflammatory response, and this will cause the response damage of the surrounding tissues. And the worst is inflammation spread to the lung parenchyma, and this will cause pneumonia. So resolution of inflammation happens if the body immune response has successfully defeated the bacteria. This outcome depends on a removal of apoptotic cells and suppression of inflammatory mediator production. So if the resolution is incomplete, it will lead to chronic inflammation. So these are the conclusion, like what I say. So the receptors consist of toll-like receptors and nucleotide binding receptors, and also the lung has three innate defense mechanism. It includes the physical, humoral, and cellular defense. And inflammation in pneumonia begins when the pathogens, especially bacteria, have overcome the lung defense mechanisms, followed by accumulation of inflammatory cells and mediator to increase inflammatory response. So if the body immune response has not successfully defeated the bacteria, the chronic inflammation will begin. So these are the references that I use. And thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.